ignition. We have liftoff.
Pitching downrange.
All right, we are T plus 30 seconds into flight, seeing 33 out of 33 Raptor 3 engine coming up on maximum aerodynamic pressure.
Booster and ship, avionics power, telemetry nominal.
Huge separation.
There you go, successful hot staging separation. We are not seeing as many booster engines ignite as we expected for boost back, but we are seeing 6 good engines lit on ship. Running on 5 engines on ship. We do have engine out capability, so it's going to continue into its ascent.
Ship is approaching the end of the peak heating region. Ship has passed through the peak heating region. External temperatures are coming down. Ship is at peak dynamic pressure. Ship flap load test has started. Ship flap load test is complete. Ship is starting the RTLS banking maneuver. Starship is subsonic and is on target. Starship is turning for final approach to landing site.
Landing burn startup.